Hello. A number of people often ask us why there are several letters to represent a single sound. Uh, this is so that, as you know, there are a lot of Arabic words included in Urdu language, and certain sounds of Arabic do not exist in Hindi language. Due to impact of Hindi on Urdu language, the sounds of Arabic language, which did not exist in Hindi, were merged into sounds of other letters. For example, sa sound. Yes, sa sound exists in Hindi and it exists in Arabic also. But there are two other letters, for example, swad and se. We have only one letter to represent sa sound. But since Arabic has three letters, and all these letters had different sounds, and when these words, these letters came into Urdu, Hindi has only one sound, sa. So it was all the three letters are pronounced like sa. But in Arabic, all these three letters, which we represent in Urdu by sa sound, have different sounds, entirely different sounds. For example, in Urdu, we have sa sound. Sa is equivalent to English s. But the other two sounds, that is swad. Swad is not exactly sa sound. It is pronounced in Arabic saw. And another sound, another se sound. Se is pronounced in Arabic as th, that is equivalent to th sound in word thank, youth, etc. But Hindi didn't have separate letters to represent these sounds, so the sounds were merged into one. So for sa sound, we have three letters in Urdu: se, sin, and swat. While in Arabic, all these letters have different sounds. But in Urdu, there is single sound, sa. But the words written in Arabic, but the spelling in Urdu and Arabic is same. Some words are written with sad, some letters are written with se, and some letters are written with sin. All these three letters exist in Urdu, but have different Arabic, but have different sounds. And these words are written in Urdu with the same spelling, while now the pronunciation of all these three letters is changed to sa. Therefore, we have several letters to represent single sound sa. We have three letters to represent single sound sa. Now we will see the other sounds. To represent sa sound in Urdu, we have three letters: se, sin, and swat. Why three different letters to represent a single sound sa? Because the word all these three letters have different sounds in Arabic language. All these three letters have different sounds in Arabic. only letter seen is equivalent to sa sound, have equivalent sounds. Seen has equivalent sound, sa sound in Arabic also. And say and sad have different sounds. There are a lot of Arabic words in Urdu. These Arabic words are written in Urdu with the same spelling as in Arabic. Since due to its impact of Hindi over Urdu language, all these letters sound the same as sa sound, because sa is nearest sound of all these three letters, although they are different. So there are three sounds. Take for example this sa. We don't have equivalent of this sound in Hindi. So the pronunciation of say was given to sa. So while in Arabic, this is not sa sound. This is tha. As this sound exists in English. Where let's see, where does it exist? It exists in thank, youth. We in thank and youth we pronounce th as th. So this th is exactly the same as say in Arabic, and it is phonetically represented as this th. And this is seen. Yes, it is exactly the same as S in English, the same sound as S in English. And this letter is sad. Its pronunciation in Arabic is sad. But in Hindi, there is only sa sound, not all these three sounds. So all these sounds are pronounced the same way, like seen, in seen, because Hindi has only one sa, not these three types of. And the loan words from Arabic are written in Urdu with the same spelling. Some Arabic words have say, some have seen, and some have swad. So since Arab people, when they speak, they pronounce their words with the same sound, but we do pronounce all these three letters as sa. So when we speak, since we are pronouncing all the letters as sa, so we cannot differentiate which word has say, which word has seen, and which word has swat. So unless we see the words written, we cannot find in which letter there is say, in which letter there is seen, and in which letter there is sat. And let's take another example. For example, This word is zal, this is ze, and this is zal. All these are pronounced like z of z, z sound. But in Arabic, all these letters have different sounds. So there are three letters to represent these sounds. But we do not have three different sounds in Hindi. So we all pronounce all these letters as z, and that's why there are four letters to represent z sound in Urdu. And take for example another example to represent ta sound. Ta sound. We have two letters, te and toe. This te is not this ta is not same as ta in English. This is a soft sound as in French ta. This is ta sound. Ta sound, and that's why there are different letters to represent single sound in Urdu, because in Urdu we cannot we generally speak both these two letters as ta, and these zo, zad, ze, and zal as za, and se, sin, se as sa.